But you come to a show like this to think about what the future is in manufacturing. You can't sit still. You can't do what you've done for the last 10 years, the next 10 years. The demands of the industry, the cost down pressures, the lack of human capital to run our equipment is changing the way we manufacture.
We have a lot of customers here that we're looking to kind of network with, touch base, and see if there's anything we can do to help further our relationship with them. And
we're looking for more partners, new technology. That's probably our primary interest, is always looking for new ideas, new ways to improve processes and our productivity.
I come back here because it's such a close connection to our business that we're in, and a lot of the suppliers here are people that we deal with on a daily basis, and a lot of the new ones, so we want to see what new equipment they have and what new process they're looking for in their equipment and whether it can fit our business.
The show looks very well laid out and very opportunistic.
It's big. As soon as you walk in, I didn't realize how big it was. And then seeing all the technology and everything, it's actually pretty cool to come in and see that.
I came just expecting to see, machining and work holding stuff, but there's been even more than that. There's been cleaning and finishing and even more than I expected.
It's very valuable to us to just be here and see what's new and see what's out in the industry.
Anybody who's doing contract manufacturing in high quantities, if you're doing bar working in large quantities and multiple spindles, this is the place to be because all the exhibitors are here.
If you come to PMTS show, in my mind, to really look around the corner to see what solutions you're going to need to implement in the next 5 years in order to be competitive as a company going forward.